Hey guys, Mike and Chris from Urban Automotive. Smile, man. Why are you looking so miserable? There you go. Jeez.
Monday. Come on.
It is Monday. It is Monday. I don't know when you're watching this. You might be watching this at 2 o'clock in the morning on a Friday. But hey guys, we are here today with a little job.
Yeah.
This is a small job. We do small jobs here at Urban Automotive sometimes.
Every once in a while.
This one is a 2010 Ford Flex. Made right here in beautiful Oakville, Ontario, Canada, just up the road, with a 3.5 liter turbocharged EcoBoost.
EcoBoost.
Don't say EcoTech, that's a competition for Ford, man. It's EcoBoost, not a Chevy. Come on. So we've got a customer with a problem, a concern, and that relates to what?
Coolant leaking from the engine.
Mysteriously disappearing. Where's the coolant going? Don't know, can't find it, not there, and then all of a sudden, we found it.
Yeah, the bleed-off valve for the water pump decided to start leaking.
Now, most water pumps are what they call external.
Yes.
Which means?
They're run by the serpentine belt.
Which means relatively, most water pumps are relatively simple to get to.
Yeah.
Pretty easy fix. Backyard shade tree mechanics. You can do them.
Easily.
This one?
Not so much.
No, you're not going to get a backyard guy doing this. Not easily anyway. Oh no! So show everybody what we're dealing with here, Mr. Chris.
This here is our water pump. And basically what's happened is that this valve, this ball up here, this check ball, has lost its spring, so to speak. And has started leaking through the motor.
Through the motor.
Leaking into the motor and leaking out of the motor through the V, and coming out the other side and leaking down through in between the transmission and engine.
So when this leaks, what does it mix with? The coolant mixes with?
With the oil, unfortunately.
And how good is that?
Not good at all.
No.
You do not want coolant mixing with oil.
Because then we get this kind of special thing happening.
Yes,
right there with some nice, oh yeah, look at that.
That's what it looks like when you have oil in your coolant.
And then we deal with possible engine damage if it's run long enough. Now, luckily our customer caught this in time, and we were able to save the motor. But the work involved in order to get this, we take off the intake, all the pulleys that are related on the side. This is our new water pump with the lifetime warranty.
So basically what happened is that this check ball blew, and right here, this hole is where it leaked out and shot across the back of across the middle of the motor, leaking between the engine and transmission.
So that's why the coolant took a while to rear its ugly head, so to speak. So we got our valve covers here, we got all of our components over here, all the hoses, all the good stuff. This is what, an hour to do?
Oh yeah. I wish.
Good times. So, won't be long. We'll have this one back together with the new water pump. Proper repair, new guides, new chain, all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
Because we're there anyway, so the proper repair is to do all of that. And our customer will be back on the road in no time.
Yep.
Awesome. So if you or someone you know has a Ford that has a leaky water pump or has a condition where they're not sure where their coolant's going, this might be a video for you to show them what's involved, where these little EcoBoosts like to lose their coolant.
Cool.
So, Urban Automotive, safety first. Please click on subscribe, like our videos, feel free to share. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.